Welcome to LingoQuiz. This is the next episode of the English Tenses course. Today we're learning the present continuous tense. In this video, you'll test your skills with real examples. Each part has 9 quiz questions, from easy to hard. Then, 15 final questions for a full tense review. Don't worry, we'll remind you of the key rules before every quiz. And don't forget to download the free PDF file in the description. It has the full explanation and extra practice. Let's begin with the affirmative form and quickly see how it works. All right, your turn. Let's jump into 9 quick affirmative questions. Am studying. Is cooking. Are playing. Are working. Is reviewing. Are making. Is running. Are swimming. Is dying. Now, let's move to the negative form and break it down simply. Time to practice. Here are 9 quick negative questions. I'm not watching. Isn't eating. Aren't playing. Is not testing. Are not walking. Are not checking. Isn't running. Are not swimming. Is not dying. Next up is the interrogative form. Let's understand how it's used. Now, let's test it. 9 short interrogative questions coming up. Am I? Is Are Is Sarah cooking? Are the children playing? Is my boss checking? Is the team preparing? Are the tourists taking? Is your friend studying? Finally, let's look at the passive form and see how it works in context. Ready? Here are 9 quick passive questions for you. Is being? Is being? Are being? Is being? Are being? Are not being? Is being? Are not being? Are? Final challenge, 15 questions to master the tense. I'm studying. Is cooking. Are? Is being? I'm not watching. Is reviewing? Are not being? Is? Are not following? Isn't being? No. Is stirring. Is being installed. Is planting? Is feeding? Well done! If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And now go watch the next tense, the present perfect.